Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Devina from class 12 Electrical Engineering B. Today, I'm gonna practice how to make an chocolate toast. You will need sufficiently condensed milk, chocolate sprinkles, 4 slices of bread. The tools you needed is toaster, spoon, and plate. First of all, spread the condensed milk over the bread. And then, shoot the chocolate sprinkles. Cover with bread. Then make one again. If done, put it in the toaster. Wait until the bread is done. After that, take the bread and put it on the plate. Chocolate toast is ready to serve.